Hey guys, it's Jimmy Gaming here. Today we're playing Arsenal on Roblox. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn on all notifications, and let's go into the video. Hold on, let me get rid of this. Okay, done. Oh, let's play. It's made by whatever, and make sure you follow me on Roblox. Yeah, let's just wait for this to load. Hold on. The game's not even loaded yet. That's just great. Anyway, the game has loaded. Now let's press the game. I'm actually laggy, I'm sorry. Flip. Okay, finally. Okay. Let's deploy. So this is how it goes. Every time you get a gun, every time you kill someone, you get a new gun. I'm gonna try and carry on killing people so I can get the best guns in the game. And yeah, that's what this video is gonna be about. So, which team should I join? Honestly, I don't know. I am gonna join the blue team. You can't see it, but I've played this before, so I know which one it is. Come on, join the blue. Oh my gosh. Actually pissing me off. So you have to get to fighting something, then you win. Oh, someone's already... blue team's definitely gonna win. Okay, I joined. Red team. You can't see my gun because it's laggy, but I can see. That's on my team. Someone left my call on Discord. Where's the blue team? I can't see him. Oh, they have 3, 2, 1, attack. He sniped me. I can just get up from here, isn't it? Yeah. I've even... Oh, I have killed someone. I've killed like... someone won. And yeah, I'm ready for the next round. Oh, I can't even... Okay, forget that. Hold on, I'm leaving and then I'll join back because this game's pissing me. Go to the left, to the right, then up, left, to the profile, to the name, to the play button, turn around, spin around, and stop. Yeah. Thank you. Finally. And it's still like this. Oh my flipping days. Let's just play. I wanted to play this. I'm picking red team. Someone's getting killed. I can't see anything. For flipping sake. I'm good at this game. It's just because it's laggy, fam. If it was a laggy, I have to be really good. See, look, now I can see my knife properly, but I still can't see I'm gonna end this with this. Hold on. Oh! Okay, someone killed me. I got a sniper though because I killed someone. I can go like this, yes I can. Let's go out. So where are we trying to go? And yes, finally I can see my gun prop. Our team's losing, fam. Need it. My nuts. If anyone comes around. Ooh. There's so many people I've killed so far. Someone died. Oh, I can see someone there. Well, oh, he went up, then he killed me. That's why I hate killing games, bro. People just aim for you. I know you have to just kill. I'm gonna end the video.